Welcome to my channel Creative Product Review. Here are the top 5 action cameras of 2025. The video description includes product links where you can purchase the products. If you are interested, you can check them out. Number 1. Brand name, actioncam. Model C100 Plus Action Camera. The actioncam C100 Plus is a compact, feature-rich action camera perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Its 4K recording at 30 frames per second delivers crisp video quality, while EIS ensures smooth footage. The 30mm waterproof capability is ideal for underwater adventures, and the 2.4G Wi-Fi makes sharing content a breeze. Its lightweight design fits snugly on helmets, bicycles, or motorcycles, making it versatile for sports. While the battery life could be longer, the camera's affordability and performance make it a solid choice for beginners. Number 2. Brand name, Cerastes Action Camera. The Cerastes Action Camera 4K 60fps is a versatile and robust choice for adventure enthusiasts. Its stunning 4K resolution at 60fps ensures crisp, vibrant videos, while the waterproof design is perfect for underwater escapades. The included remote control screen enhances convenience, allowing easy operation during activities. Whether mounted on a helmet or used as a drive recorder, its durability and performance shine. Compact, lightweight, and feature-packed, this action cam is an excellent investment for capturing every thrilling moment. Number 3. Brand name, Huafant. Action Camera. The 5K 4K 60fps action camera delivers exceptional video quality with its 4K resolution at 60fps, capturing stunning detail. The dual IPS touchscreens make navigation intuitive, while the 170 degrees wide-angle lens offers immersive perspectives. Its EIS stabilization ensures smooth footage, even during action-packed moments. The 30mm waterproof design is perfect for underwater adventures, and the 5x zoom adds versatility. The wireless mic enhances audio quality, and pre-recording is a handy feature. A feature-packed choice for adventurers and vloggers alike. Number 4. Brand actioncam. Model, SJ11 Active Action Camera. The actioncam SJ11 Active is a versatile action camera delivering impressive 4K 30 frames per second video quality. Its 2.33-inch touchscreen makes navigation intuitive, while the waterproof design ensures durability for outdoor adventures. The built-in 5G Wi-Fi allows seamless connectivity, and the active HDR feature enhances video clarity in diverse lighting conditions. Compact yet powerful, this flagship model is ideal for capturing dynamic sports and activities. It's an excellent value for thrill seekers who demand reliability and performance. Number 5. Brand actioncam. Model, C300 Action Camera. The actioncam C300 Pocket Action Camera impresses with its 4K Full HD video quality and robust build. Its compact design makes it perfect for on-the-go adventures, while the 30-meter waterproof capability allows for stunning underwater footage. The long battery life ensures extended shooting sessions without interruptions, and the 5G Wi-Fi connectivity simplifies sharing your captures. It's ideal for sports enthusiasts and travelers seeking a reliable, high-performing action cam at a reasonable price. A versatile and excellent companion for adventure filming. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next video.